A new modification on my WR250F is these homemade Steg Pegz. Apparently Steg Pegz doesn't make a version for this exact model. It's a 2019 WR250F. There's a bolt here that holds this plastic piece onto the frame. The plastic does have a metal spacer, so you can crank down on this bolt pretty hard and shouldn't damage the plastic. I did trim the back of this. These are like trailer pucks. You can find these on Amazon. This one is spaced a little bit further back because of where the bolt is versus this one. This one is directly into the plastic, but I double nutted it on the back, used epoxy to attach a piece of metal behind this. And with the double nutting, I really crank the nuts against each other so I don't tighten against the plastic. I'll remove these and show how I did this, if they work well. I'm going to hit some single track here with whoops, and I'm hoping that these pucks resting the boot against here will fatigue me less because I'll be able to make sure I have no weight on my hands. If they work well, I'll make another video on what I did. Since this puck is a little bit further back, I may figure out a way to attach it so that to move it forward, or if I like this one better, I'll figure out how to move this one back. This one's easy because I can just drill another hole into the metal behind it and move it back a little bit. But yeah, let's see how they feel. Here we go. Oh yeah, right away I can feel the support from the pucks. I'm making more contact with the one on the right because it's closer to me. Yeah, I think the one that's closer feels better, more supportive, but I can definitely put my boot up against either side. Oh yeah, these are great. It's gonna be less stress on your abs, less stress on your back, less stress on your hands and arms. Oh yeah, I'm really liking these pucks. As soon as I stand up to go through some of the rougher whoop sections, I feel the support. Oh yeah, super supportive. Definitely liking the feel of the one that's closer to my boot. Once in a while, it feels like it does press up against my calf kind of aggressively, but it doesn't hurt, it's not uncomfortable. Whoa. So far so good. There's some more aggressive, slower speed whoops when I get to the bottom of the mesa here. Homemade Steg Pegz doing great. And there's some more aggressive whoops, slower speed stuff down there. I want to see how the Steg Pegz do. But on higher speed whoops, over 20 miles an hour, somewhere 20 to 30 to 40, they feel really supportive. I am finding that the one that's further forward is putting a little bit too much pressure on my calf at times, and the other one feels like it's not as active as I'd like it to be. So I think moving them somewhere between the two, I think will be the perfect position. But let's see how they do in this different terrain here. I think this is the fastest I've gone on this. These are pretty aggressive here. Yeah, I definitely feel the support, especially when the nose of the bike points down. Definitely feel the pegs help, so I don't go too far to the back of the bike. And I've been meaning to add these for years. I don't know why I didn't try them sooner. I kept looking to see for the availability of a commercial version, but they just never made it for my bike for some reason. I thought the WR250F was a popular enduro bike, but well, in the end I ended up saving $150 by making my own. These pucks are just a couple of dollars each. I'm also trying to see if there's a situation where they hinder me or put me in a dangerous situation, but has not happened so far. Woo! This whole section is a lot of fun. Woo! What a workout. Ugh. Getting tired, making mistakes. Could be the tricky bit getting out of here. No problem. The other thing is I'm feeling a the reason I'm feeling a lot of pressure on one calf is that the other one is not doing its job. So first I'm going to try moving the one that's rearward, move it forward, try to get more support, even support from both calves, and then maybe I won't feel excessive pressure. Okay, when I get out of here I'm going to rest a bit. This part's going to be tricky too right here. Nailed it! Right in the middle. Alright, let's take a little break. If you find this type of content useful, please consider subscribing and hit that like button to be notified of future content.